Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. Today is going to be a review and demonstration of the Avalon TRI paint gun. Alright, so these are the bumper covers for that 350Z. I'm going to start spraying them black, and let's see how this gun performs. Alright, let's get started. And there it is, guys. This is after 3-4 hours of drying already. It came out really nice, really good. And let me show you the gun I use for the base. Right here, guys. This is the Avalon TRI. It has a 1.3 needle right there. Hopefully you can see it. And the base, it sprayed it nice. It sprayed it really good. It sprayed it better than the other one that I use, the U19 from Avalon. To me, this is a better quality gun, better finish gun. So I'm gonna try them out with clear in the near future. So just keep watching. But regarding this gun, it's an excellent gun, guys. An excellent gun. I'll leave the information of this gun down below so you can check it out. And if you guys want one of these, well, go ahead and hit the link below and get yourself one of these. All right, guys. Next, the clear coat, I shot it with the DV1. All right, I shot it with the DV1, and it came out excellent, came out nice. Okay, guys, so this will be it, guys. This will be it. I used that Grand 7 clear, and like you see here, flawless. So guys, this will be it for this video, guys. Thank you. The next video gonna be the reveal of that 350, so stay tuned. All right, thank you, guys. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and let's go reaching for that 40,000 subscriber mark, guys. All right, thank you. God bless. Have a good weekend.